welcome back to today's vlog. So, actually, I just finished that car. People were looking weird at me through my camera. And so, today, I'm gonna go doorbell ditching, okay, with my cousin. And it's gonna get pretty fun. You know, I just did the ice bucket challenge. You could go watch that video right here, right now. And yes.
Which one do you want me doing?
I don't know. Let's kind of scout out the area.
The area. We got this house, this one, that nice car one.
Nice car.
And we got this one over here.
What?
So I think we're gonna be doing this one right here.
This one right here? Oh, with the car.
Yeah.
With the dog, though. Just a dog. No one likes dogs.
Yeah, there's a
Like
dog.
during doorbell ditching.
We're still gonna do it.
Sorry, guys. We're actually in a process trying to look for a good house. Sorry, though. Really sorry. Honestly sorry. Still can't find a house. So upsetting. So upsetting. So upsetting. Hey guys, we found a house.
We found a house, so we're gonna do doorbell ditching right now. So here we go.
1, 2. Pew! Yeah! That was... Go over here, go over here. Okay guys, next house. Yo! Yeah, this is crazy! Holy fuck! Oh dude, that scares me! That gives me the creeps! You guys probably think I'm wussy for being scared of that snake. Sorry, rest. Hey guys, we can't find a single house that like has good setup for the cameras. I mean, you know, I'm sorry. Except for that one house. We just doorbell ditched it, but yeah. Sorry. You could try this house. Actually, nah. No good setups. No good setups. Sorry, guys. Okay, go. Woo! Okay, guys, my turn. Woohoo! Ah, there goes my control. Ah. Hey guys, we found a house. We got our camera setups. Let's go. Okay guys, I am gonna end this video right here, right now. I hope you enjoy this doorbell ditching video. I'm sorry, we couldn't find people, so, and yeah, see y'all next time.